To replace the clock spring on a Mitsubishi Pajero, start off by removing the negative cable from the battery. Straighten up your steering wheel, then take this little plastic cover off from the bottom of the steering wheel. There's a yellow and a black electrical connection to undo down here. Then use a T30 Torx bit to undo the screws on the left and the right hand side of the steering column. Grab the top of the airbag module and the bottom and slowly pull them out towards you. There's 4 different connections that hold it in, and then put that somewhere safe. Take a 17mm socket and undo the steering wheel. It will be pretty tight to start with. I didn't use anything special to pull this off, just wiggled left to right. Just be careful of those electrical connections down the bottom. Two Phillips head screws at the bottom of the steering column hold these 2 shrouds on. And 2 more Phillips head screws plus 2 more electrical connections are what's left holding the clock spring on. Just got this yellow and the black connection at the bottom. Now, I actually tried to repair my own clock spring, which did work, but I would recommend just replacing it. I imagine I'm probably going to have this out again shortly to fit a new one. I don't think it'll last forever. When you've got your new one or your repaired one, you can go and line it up, slap it back in. 2 Phillips head screws and those 2 electrical connections. Shroud going on the bottom with the 2 Phillips head screws. Shroud back up the top. Steering wheel, remember to line it up nice and straight. Watch out for the wires at the bottom. 17mm nut. Tighten that up nice and tight. Airbag module goes back in with the 4 clicks in each corner. Remember to put the T30 Torx head screws back in the side left and right. You've got 2 electrical connections at the bottom. You've got that plastic plate that'll go back on. You can pop your negative cable back on, tighten that up, and then go and test it all. Let me know in the comments how you went. And just lastly, if this video was helpful for you, the best thing you can do to support my channel if you've got the time is just to pick another video and watch it, get those watch hours up for me. That'd be really handy. Thanks guys, see ya.